there was a loss of time and hence grace marks. When they were caught in this court, then they appeared before the Honorable Other Coordinate Bench and said, now we are having a re-examination. So please do not go into how we gave the grace marks to this 1561 people. I'm sorry, 1563. So the question that how they gave grace marks to 1563 people on account of loss of time has not been examined by this Honorable Court. They, in their reply, they say that the issue stand resolved because we have had a re-exam. My question is, my lord, that how in the first instance they identify 1563 like the center in Bahadurgarh, and to hush up the matter, they say we have a re-exam. Now, my lord, if it was on account of loss of time, they should have given opportunity to everybody in the country. That wherever there is a...
Mr. Huda, that has attained finality. Our court dismissed that. Our court has upheld the re-examination.
No.
Initially, they decided to give. Grace marks to everybody. That was when that was done. There were representations. They said they told us last time that there were representations. Thereafter, they decided to revoke that because a fresh committee was appointed, and they decided to have a re-examination. Is that correct?
My respectful submission.
I may have to interrupt here only for a moment, my lords.
Later.
Later. My respectful submission is, my lord, this. In the first instance, they indulged into pick and choose for identifying 1563. One classic example is of Bahadurgarh. Then nobody knows how they picked up 1563, and re-examination, the people who were not entitled to get this chance again got the chance again. And out of this number, out of the total, out of 1563.
Out of 1563, how many make it into the 108,000?
Yes, that's an interesting question. They have not disclosed. But out of 1563.
Tell us. That's the proof of the pudding isn't that.
Yes,
out of the 1563 who got the retest, how many actually have made it?
Which included 8 top ranker from one center.
Right. We'll find an answer to that.
Now, Lord,
see, I've done now the top 100.
These cities gave petitions.
Huda, when you were arguing, I've just from that top 100, I've done an analysis.
Yes,
the maximum from the states, you said they had disclosed data only for 5 states, 4 or 5 states.
Yes.
Now, Andhra Pradesh got 7 in the top 100. Bihar 7. Gujarat 7. Just check this up. Ask your team to check it up. I've just done it manually. Andhra Pradesh 7. Bihar 7. Gujarat 7. Haryana 4. Delhi 3. Karnataka 6, Kerala 5, Maharashtra 12, Punjab 6, Rajasthan 19, Tamil Nadu 8, UP 6, and West Bengal 5.
That's right.
So it appears that this spread in the top 100 marks is distributed across the country.
Yes. Lord,
this covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 states, and 12 states and 1 UT.
That's right. Yes, sir. On this 1563, I just want to point out one fact. The people who got re-examination opportunity,
it is
out of them 773 did not pass the basic marks in the
100 candidates. Our affidavit, my lord, says first 100 candidates was analyzed and it has been reported that they are distributed across 95 centers located in 56 cities within 18 states and UT of the country. 69, my lord, in Vanshika Yadav state.
What have you said? That the first 100?
In this regard, just read, my lord. It is submitted that allegation of the petitioner that number of students scoring high marks are only from certain center is completely unsubstantiated. In this regard, the result of top 100 candidates was analyzed and it has been reported that they are distributed across 95 centers located in 56 cities.
Yes.
Within 18 states or UTs of the country. This diverse distribution highlights the widespread participation and competitive spirit among students from different regions and educational backgrounds.
Mr. Huda,
This
we'll
is not-
tell you on the other aspects. But if you look at, as they say, first 100 candidates are distributed in 95 centers in 56 cities in 18 states. Apart from that, as we said, the maximum we have taken in students, at least 5 or more per state. 5 or more per state. We find that distribution in 12 states and 1 union territory.
That's right.
With the highest being Maharashtra, which is, Rajasthan 19, followed by Maharashtra 12, followed by Gujarat and Bihar 7, and Karnataka 6.
Lord, yes, Lord.
For us, my lord,
67 students
yes,
who secured 720 out of 720.
they are also, my lord, reduced now because of the re-examination.
Now tell us, originally 67 students
Yes, please.
got
720 or so.
720 out of 720.
Yes.
Now, how many of those were in the, I think 17 were in that 1563, no?
Yes. No, not-
44 means.
How much? 44?
Initially,
Lord, they are reduced.
67 were there.
Lord,
which
I
got
gave-
reduced-
Yes.
Got reduced to 61 because of re-exam at Bahadurgarh. And it's 44 we are attributing to the aspect of one question paper in which 2 options were marked correct. As a result whereof, it's 44 candidates got the benefit of extra 4 marks, making it to 720. If those 44 are removed, then toppers in the entire country are only 17.
So 44 students got the benefit of the grace marks.
Grace mark.
Not grace marks, full marks for when there was an error in the NCERT book contained the wrong answer.
Hardship is that.
No, there were 2 correct answers. Yes, that's what we'll see here.
So anybody who gave either the NCERT answer or the actually correct answer was given, graded as correct.
If they are removed,
They were 44.
Yes.
because they would otherwise get minus, because this is a negative mark.
Because you didn't go by the NCERT, your booklet didn't go by the NCERT answer, but what was truly the correct answer? They said that, look, the earlier edition of the NCERT book had also this answer.
Now,
So you treated both as correct answers,
yes.
and those are 44 students.
And total, my lord, are otherwise 17, which in a multiple choice question, my lord, framework is possible in that out of.
So now, as it stands, 61 students across India get 720 out of 720 today,
Yes.
out of which 44 students have the